The Advanced Trigger option has many features, so this is just a quick overview of its configuration. After assigning channels to signal names, you can configure the advanced trigger condition based on the defined signals. Most engineers will find it easier to reference the condition, as it relates to the circuit's function, rather than remembering which channels of the analyzer were used to connect to specific signals in the circuit. Advanced triggers are configured in project settings. Let's go there now. Change the trigger mode to advanced. The Advanced Trigger configuration screen implements a dual-mode, schematic-like approach to configuring the matches, the sequences and the trigger output from a single window. A text window shows the formula for the configuration, while the schematic shows the flow. These two sections update together to provide two distinct views of the configuration. By the way, multiple trigger configurations can be created using the selection area in the upper left corner of this screen. The formula presents a summary of the configuration sections. Since this summary can be quite involved with a complex trigger condition, each section will highlight as items in the graphical section are selected. Likewise, selecting items in the formula view will highlight the corresponding item in the schematic. Every trigger configuration starts with a match condition and ends with trigger out, so the workflow is designed from left to right, starting with the match types. Connection points will display a red square as the mouse moves over them. To start a connection, click on one of these points, then move the mouse over another valid connection point. Click to finish the connection. On sequencers, each stage has a repeat counter. Click to edit the value. To delete a connection, repeat the process, or use the delete key, or double-click when the connection highlights in the editing color, red. That concludes the Advanced Trigger overview.